Pancakes are very well known for breakfast, but did you know you can have them as a snack or a meal on its own? Welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. For pancakes, you need wheat flour, honey, baking powder, margarine, a banana, sugar, milk, and empty bowls. I will start mixing our dry ingredients in one bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, sugar, 4 teaspoons, Winston. We are mixing our liquid ingredients, 1 glass of milk in our 1.5 cups of wheat flour, margarine, 2 teaspoons, vanilla essence to taste, 2 spoons, add 1 egg. We are mixing our liquid ingredients to our flour. In my liquid ingredients, I have 1 egg, margarine, vanilla essence, and on our flour we have baking powder, we have sugar and flour yenyewe. So I prefer using baking powder because for my time, if you use yeast, you need to wait for the flour to rest for some time before you cook. Use your whisk to mix your ingredients until the flour is smooth. Before you start cooking, apply some margarine on your pan. These are fluffy pancakes. Don't spray it on the pan after you put. Let it form on its own. Moderate the heat. have any requests on how to make any meal, send me comments in my comment section, and we will teach you how to make any kind of meal you want. And I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, share. Keep it Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. Thank you.